everyone. I am Justin Andres. I'm one of the best men, and that gives me the honor and the privilege to say a few words tonight. Alam niyo po, naging kakasi ko si Kino noong grade 6 kami. At sa mga nakilala ko, yan ang pinakamahilig mag-birthday party. Every year yan, walang witness. Ako naman, every year, nandun. Sigurado nga ako nahirapan pumili ng best man yan. Pero tingin ko dahil nakita niya perfect attendance ako lang pinili niya. Sa totoo lang po, nung nagpe-prepare ako ng speech ko, gusto ko sana straight English. Parang sila. Mas madali kasi pag English dahil yan yung official communication natin sa Pilipinas. Pero naalala ko yung sinabi ng magaling kong kaibigan nung bata ako. Sabi niya, alam mo bro, pag gusto mo humingi ng tawad, o gusto mo talagang matouch yung kausap mo, mag-Tagalog ka, basta gusto puso yun. At yung kaibigan ko na yun, ang galing, kinasal na ngayon. Tingin ko na dahil si Diyos sa Tagalog niya. Nag-hold back lang siya kanina ng wedding kasi English yung vows niya. Baka daw umayak tayo lahat. On a more serious note, it is just so fitting that my beloved friend, who always wanted to celebrate his birthdays with all his friends, is now once again with his family and friends, celebrating this once-in-a-lifetime event. I can clearly remember the first time I heard him talk about Just. Diba? Reversion din ako. Pinakita niya yung Facebook profile ni Just during recess. Sabi niya, bro, tingnan mo ang chicks, oh. Tapos pinsan ni Joey. Sana ipakilala ko ni Joey, no? Obviously, dahil nandito tayo lahat ngayon, pinakilala nga siya ni Joey. That's why we should all thank Joey for his willingness to give Pino a chance. Palapakan po natin siya. Pero naalala ko din sabi ni Joey nun eh. Sabi ni Joey, o Kino, papakilala na kita kay Diyos ha. Pero depende na kay Diyos kung trip ka niya. Buti na lang kung one trip naman ni Diyos si Kino. Galing kasi mag-Tagalog. Kidding aside, I think they had undeniable chemistry from the start. Chemistry parang love team. Alam ko kasi nandun ako ng first date nila sa school eh. Hindi ko din alam kung ba't ako nandun. Okay na yung birthday, lagi nandun. Pati first date nandun din. Joss was there during our high school graduation ball. Ako pa nga yung kumuha ng picture nila kanina. We all had different dates then. Sila lang nag-survive, which makes them high school sweethearts, and they were inseparable since then. They both went to Lasal. I'm sure hindi nila sinasadya yun. My fellow best man, Mr. Ram Samson, has stories about their college days. But for me, they will always be the couple who look like the ones I saw in movies, except that their love for each other was real and that they are my friends. To Joseph Kino, this day formalizes what we have known for a long time. That you two were meant to be together and that you were always each other's endgame. We love you, we are so happy for you, and just like your birthday, we look forward to attending your 10th, your 15th, your 20th, your 25th, and your 50th wedding anniversary. I am so honored to be here. Congratulations sa inyo.
Yeah, thank you.